Hi and welcome back to Lavender Coco Kitchen. Well, today I'm going to make Superfood energy bars, and these are a really healthy snack because every ingredient in these bars is a nutrient powerhouse. So it provides you with lots of antioxidants, vitamins, minerals, fiber, protein, omega-3s, all that good stuff, which is why it makes such a wonderful healthy snack. And it's great any time of day. You can even have it for breakfast. It's great on the go, like if you don't really have time to make anything, you can just grab one and it'll really keep you going for ages. And if you get hungry between meals, it's a good snack because it's actually low in carbohydrate as well. So it's good, like even if you have diabetes, which I do, I can eat this snack and it's fine. And it's also great to give to kids after school if they're hungry and they want something satisfying. And it's great for afternoon tea and morning tea, picnics, lunch boxes, for any time really. And it's super easy to make as well. So the only sweetener in here is actually dates, which are a very nutritious alternative to sugar. So I've just soaked it's about 1/3 to 1/2 cup of dates, depends how sweet you want the bars to be, and I'll just strain out the water. So while the dates are soaking, I'll put 1/2 cup of almonds into the food processor and 1/2 cup of walnuts. And walnuts, as you may know, give you a plant-based omega-3. So I'm just going to blend these until they're like coarsely ground. So the nuts are just coarsely ground. So I'm going to add in the dates that have been soaked and drained. I'm going to add in 1/4 cup of oats and 1/4 cup of chia seeds. You can use black or white or mixed, doesn't matter. Pumpkin seeds or pepitas. So I just put in a couple of tablespoons of those. Then I got flax. So you could use whole flax seeds or ground flax, doesn't really matter. So a tablespoon of flax. So now we need some spices just to give it a little more flavour. And spice, of course, is very good for you. So I've got turmeric here. So just 1/4 teaspoon, and this is really good for reducing inflammation in the body. And another very good spice, ginger, also reduces inflammation and it helps fight against viruses. So I'll put 1/4 teaspoon of ginger. My favourite, cinnamon, which helps to lower blood sugar. So just put in 1/2 teaspoon. So now we want something that's going to bind it all together. So I've got here tahini, which is sesame seed paste. So I'm going to put in 1/3 cup. Coconut oil, about 1.5 to 2 tablespoons. So let's just start with the 1.5, and you can add a bit more after if it needs it. And now I'm just going to blend it all together. So just blend it until it's starting to stick together. You can add the extra bit of coconut oil if you think it looks too dry, but it depends also how many dates you put in. So you'll need more or less depending on the amount of dates, but it should just be sticking together like this. So now I just need to press it into a tin lined with baking paper. So just press it down firmly. So you can also put some more pumpkin seeds on top. Just sprinkle them on. And then you just need to press them in a little bit so they'll stick into there. And make sure the whole thing is pressed down really firmly so that it will all stick together. And if you want to make more, you could double the mixture and use a bigger tin. So just make sure it's all pressed down really well. Alright, so that's all you have to do. Now you just need to put it in the fridge or the freezer until it firms up and then cut it into bars. So here we have the Superfood energy bars. As I said, it's a highly nutritious and satisfying snack. Great for the whole family, and it's just great energy on the go for any time of day. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe. Thank you.